Today we have the IUMAKEVP Wireless Lavalier Microphone Model K3 updated in 2023. As you can see, it comes with a receiver and two microphones. I can't show you the receiver, but here's one of the microphones, and the other is what I do with it. Here, it's over here. It comes with a number of accessories, including this USB-C audio monitor. This plugs right into the microphone, and then you can hear what you're saying. However, I just found it to be distracting. I already know what I'm saying. One of its best features is its massive compatibility. Not only does it support USB-C natively, but you get this USB-A adapter and a Lightning port adapter. So you could plug this into a laptop, a desktop, an iPhone, an Android, basically anything. I tried this in a USB-C iPad, a Lightning port iPad, and a USB-C Android, and they all just worked as advertised. This thing has a massive range. I was recording in my upstairs office. I went downstairs, I went to the basement, I went to the garage, I went inside my car in the garage, and it still sounded like I was speaking right in front of my iPad. They give you two of these clips, and at first I thought they were to hold your audio monitor to your clothing. However, I think they are just replacement clips for these. One feature that I think is missing is a charging case. They do give you this cable that allows you to charge both microphones at the same time. However, a case just is a nicer appearance. It keeps everything together, and sometimes it has a battery indicator on it. Just makes life easier. They give you this vinyl case, which is large enough to hold all the accessories and your microphones, but I would still rather have a charging case. Another thing I've noticed through experimentation is I tend to peg the volume on this microphone. I can be boisterous, I can be loud, I can be animated, but that's not going to change. And I didn't see a way to adjust the volume either through software or on the device itself. So I think I'm just stuck. Another thing I noticed, and I think it's because of the noise reduction circuitry, you cannot effectively whisper into this microphone. So if you were planning to do some lo-fi ASMR, this is probably not the solution for you. On one hand, you have near universal compatibility, USB-C, USB-A, Lightning port. You have a tremendous range with this device. You have windscreens, and it's very inexpensive. On the other hand, I tend to peg the meter, and it doesn't have a charging case. So I'm going to say 3 out of 5 stars.